have to say, we are on vacation every single day of our lives. It is so hard for us to leave this house because it's so beautiful with the whole property. We ride, we fish, the kids come out, and it's just overwhelming. And the house is the focal point of this property. When you come driving up, you're not looking in the woods, you're not, it's all part of it, but it's definitely the house. Ever since I've had this property, I knew I wanted to build a house right here with the horses that we can look out. Just like this morning, throughout the bedroom windows, we're sitting there indoors just watching the horses. This was a perfect spot for a house like this. And trying to come up with the plan is overwhelming. It was just a matter of finding the right timber home that would work for us. And looking at Golden Eagle's website, videos, catalogs really helped us narrow it down. Well, what really impressed me, I have to say, as a business owner, when I called up on a Saturday around 11 o'clock and the owner answered the phone himself.
Yeah.
It was
huge.
He
was super excited.
And just having a conversation with him after 15 minutes really sparked the interest to go forward there.
Yeah. Then when we got in there and met everybody, and we just loved all the people. Like, everybody was super nice. And it just like their showroom, and how you could pick all your colors, and they had a lot of ideas there for you to start with. Yeah. You're like, I like that, I like that, I like that, so it was a lot to choose from, like cabinetries and everything. It was like, wow, they got a lot here to choose from. Our favorite part about this house is this view right here.
Yeah.
Looking out, we get eagles, we get golden eagles down here we can watch, and the horses. The way we have our fencing set up, we can see them from every door or window, wherever they're at. And I love that, and it's beautiful.
I should get my camera and show them the picture of just this morning waking up out of bed with the horses down there and, and the sun coming up. It's just
absolutely
beautiful.
gorgeous. But I do like the microwave.
So
look into that, because that's a really cool feature.
That's not the best feature of the house by any means. No, it's I have to say the best feature of this house is me being able to share it with my beautiful wife. By all means, just to have this house is nothing if you're not sharing it with somebody else. So that has to be my most special part, but I do agree with her. The views are fantastic, and I'm very blessed to be able to share it with just all the kids and family coming over, friends, do a lot of entertaining. And it's so the special part of the house. There's so much of it to mention.
We love it all.
Love
really
it all.
do.
And when the kids have a lot of energy, go outside and run around the porch.
Yeah.
So
no running in the house.
Yeah, go run, do laps around the house.
I know I sound so much like my mom right now.
When we were building the house, we ended up finishing the lower level right away, simply because Judy and I got married on the front porch.
Yeah.
So that was very, very special too. And we decided to have the reception downstairs, and so we finished the lower level right away for that. We had 100 people throughout the whole house. It is just set up perfect with the great room, the wraparound porch, the area downstairs, and that sort of thing is just works out so great for entertainment. So if you're looking for a house, a timber or log home, whichever it may be, they're just spectacular. You'll enjoy them so much.
Your dreams can come true. This is our dream home.
Yep.